Okay guys, here's where we're at after the first pour on this river table. Well, really kind of the second pour. The first was a seal coat where I did it real thin, simple, went on with a brush to seal all the edges, and that helps prevent bubbles in this thing. Ooh, yeah, got a lot of shine. And so the edges look great, no problems there. But and now I'm at a point, I kind of made the bottom of the river table look like sand that's in there mixed in. And then I have these little here pools of color, and here's a better one, pool of color to make it look like along the river table. There's, you know how you always find those little puddles that small kids play in along big rivers. So I made it look like that, and you see I got some good color and some good swirls in with the pretty much first layer of epoxy. Next we'll do the next layer.